Landing HWZ, and today I'm showing you me and my friend playing Nerf Gun Game. Here's my friend.
Hey guys, I'm Aiden. I am HSY23 and I am ready to tear it up in a Nerf Gun Game. The last round that we did, Lightning's HWZ lost so badly. He was at his first gun and I beat him. And it was so sad. So I'm gonna go easy on him this round. Let's do it.
Turtle!
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 Turtle! Turtle!
Turtle! Also, we did not show the last video because I was doing horrible, so I didn't want to. Let's do it.
Ready, get set, go! I thought I said those were up to shoot me.
I'm not. Oh my gosh.
Box zipper.
Protection. Ow! I got hit.
Bro, your protection is weak sauce.
You guys see me? I'm about to whoop Aiden's butt. Ha 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 ha.
Said it, see me good. Don't taunt. Stop hiding. That's not really fair. You can still see part of my body. It's just that your aim sucks.
Yeah, it's true.
I can't see part of your body, so it's heck hard to shoot you. You missed! The bullet fell out of the gun!
Shoot.
No, my gun isn't cocked.
Okay.
Shh. I'm
He didn't have ammo, that's why I said shh. I can't shoot the hand. No.
Your aim sucks.
I know. That's why I'm sneaking.
Bullseye! Oh, it's not marked!
Ah!
No, I just shot you.
Oh, my
Back
ammo.
off!
I'm out of ammo, guys. Gotta go pick some up without getting shot.
Get him!
Get into protection. Ow, headshot.
Oh, dang it.
You can't stand up.
A gun block? For real? Dude, your protection is too good.
That doesn't count.
Your protection is too good, man.
Okay.
Too good.
Mom. Oh my gosh. I need to reload. I'm gonna turtle.
On to my last.
Yes! Ah! I hit Aiden! I hit him! You can't shoot me while I'm getting a new gun, remember?
Finally, you hit me.
I finally hit him. Ow, you can't do that.
Next gun.
No, that doesn't count. I was going back to get my new gun.
Rocket launcher! Ah! Wait, give me my
The
grenade.
rocket is in my side.
Give me my grenade.
Okay.
Tell me my gun was empty.
I'm on to this one. Alpha Trooper. Fudge! My ammo? Hey, you said it doesn't have ammo.
I didn't know.
Why is this not? Oh.
Fire!
Oh, I made it.
Bro, you so got blown up.
No, I didn't. Oh my gosh, I can't cock this. This gun sucks.
And so do you.
Oh my god. You suck, Hayden. He shot it over there.
I'm out of ammo! Victory! It's not shooting, so I get off.
Fudge!
Yes, you can't cock it. Thank you. Thank you so much. Ah!
Yes!
No, it wasn't fair. I was sitting running. Miss You died.
No, I didn't. It's right there.
Fuck you! Fuck you! Wait, I thought you shot me.
Yeah. That means I have to go on to my next gun.
Yeah, I know.
Yes, I'm on my second to last gun.
This one hits you up close up.
Alright. No, that's unfair. I'm getting a new gun. Remember, you can't
Care, it blew up in your area.
That doesn't count, guys. Okay, yes, fire it again. Oh, I survived.
No, you died in the explosion.
No?
Stop saying you
I
survived.
went like this.
It was right behind you. It blew your foot off.
Whatever.
You still have to reload. Die! You know, if my missile hits you, you blow up. And Aiden is on his last gun. About to finish Savior.
Aiden, you have to go over here, remember? Camera.
Ah! Hey, bro, no swinging guns. I got a knife. No swinging guns.
I'm trying to protect myself.
No swinging guns, man.
Then how can I get over?
You have to run.
What?
No swinging guns.
Then how can I block?
Stop it. You can't swing your gun. Because if you hit me with it, it's going to hurt.
Okay. Mom, with the camera, you can't do that with the camera. They don't know what happened.
Hey guys, I am about to finish Savior.
Oh!
You can't run off camera, dude.
Oh, yeah.
Savior is about to be finished. Stop! No swinging guns!
I'm not dying.
I stabbed you.
Amazing.
Yeah, I went like this and held your gun.
Whatever. You can't do that. That's cheating.
Yeah, it's cheating that you're swinging a gun. And you can't hold my weapon.
I'm not swinging.
Ah! Aiden wins.
New round. That doesn't count.
Bye guys.